Welcome to your Westpac Invoice Finance Portal tutorial. Once your user account has been created, you will receive a system-generated email to activate your account. Contained in this email are instructions to support you through your first time accessing the portal. Step 1 provided in the account activation email will contain a link, which will direct you to the portal. For first-time users, select the New User option at the bottom of the screen. In the field provided, enter the username displayed in the account activation email you have received, and click Submit. An account activation verification code will be sent to you, which will be required to set your new password. When creating your new password, please ensure there is a mix of upper and lowercase characters, and at least one digit. The password strength feature is available on screen to help assess the strength of your new password. To complete the process, select the Send button. When you log into the portal, you will have access to view and manage your account. By selecting the question mark icon in the top right corner, you will have the option to take a tour of the portal, along with the option to download a manual. Also in the top right corner, you will find a bell icon. This will allow you to view your notifications. On the landing page, you will find a series of boxes containing different data. These are called widgets. By clicking on a widget, a new pop-up will open, providing a detailed view. Some widgets will provide buttons allowing you to navigate to a different area of the portal. Other widgets, such as the Availability widget, will allow you to complete an action, such as drawing down funds. By selecting the Custom Layout option, you can customize what widgets you wish to display. Please note any customization set will only appear for that user. On the left-hand side of the screen is your navigation menu. Each of these areas will take you to a new screen where you can perform various tasks and view additional details to support you in managing your account. Please note that in this example, the client can sync their accounting software package, which displays a unique navigation option titled Data Extraction. If you are manually uploading your reports, this navigation option will display as Upload.